Hi designers, welcome back to the AI House. Have you ever been frustrated by the lack of clients? Have you found yourself attending different exhibitions only to realize that the number of clients you gain is decreasing, and the competition is growing fiercer? Maybe your showroom is expanding, but the number of clients visiting seems to be decreasing. The pandemic has reshaped the way we do business. And for interior designers, it's time to adapt and discover new avenues to showcase our business. That's where AiHouse VR function comes into play. In today's video, we're diving into the AiHouse VR function and exploring 4 fantastic ways to turn your design passion into serious profit. Now, let's get started on this journey. Number 1. Imagine this. Today, you decide to go to the shopping mall for some shopping. However, the store you've been in hasn't opened its doors for 3 years. You might think that the company must have closed down. Similarly, if a customer today is looking for a designer, the majority of them would likely use social media like Facebook or Google to find us. Now, imagine this. If our company website never updated for many years, what would they think about us? Typically, when clients discover us through social media, they also visit our website to assess our company's scale and reputation. How can we ensure our website stays updated? Well, we can upload VR tours of our most recent interior design projects, allowing clients to explore our designs in VR at their convenience. This can leave a lasting impression on clients. Simultaneously, the company's website can serve as our 24/7 virtual storefront. With AiHouse VR, you can connect with clients from anywhere, anytime in the world. Imagine offering your expertise and products without being limited by geography. In this segment, we'll explore how virtual consultations can not only expand your client base but also bring in that extra income you've been dreaming of. If we can provide the virtual consultation via the virtual storefront, this store not only eliminates the need to pay employee salaries and utility bills but also enables us to showcase our latest design trends and offerings at any time. Number 2. Next on our list is all about wowing your audience with VR design showcases. We'll discuss how AiHouse VR allows you to create immersive and jaw-dropping design presentations. Whether you're pitching to clients or showcasing your portfolio online, these VR design showcases will set you apart and attract new opportunities. In AiHouse VR, your client not only can walk through inside the virtual tour, they can also see the before and after for the renovation of their house. Before and after. Number 3. Now, let's talk about the multiple design packages. Previously, our client always asked the designer to reload the design for many times. This made the designer fluctuated in changing the 3D drawings. Now we can propose the client with 3 different ideas, according to their budget. AiHouse VR function opens up possibilities for creating virtual design packages that clients can experience before committing. We'll discuss how this innovative approach not only enhances client satisfaction but also adds a lucrative dimension to your business. Number 4. Last but certainly not least, we'll delve into the power of collaborations in the virtual world. AiHouse VR makes it easier than ever to collaborate with other designers, brands, or even influencers. Learn how these collaborations can translate into additional income streams and elevate your status in the design community. There you have it. 4 incredible ways to monetize your passion for interior design using AiHouse VR function. I hope you're as excited as I am about the potential these strategies hold. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that empowers your design journey. Until next time, I'm AiHouse Creative Hunter, signing off. Keep designing, keep earning, and I'll catch you in the next one.